Thank you X Stark Shinobi and PHX Fury for suggesting this video. Links are inside the description below or in the cards up above in the right hand corner. Let's hop right into it. Hello fellow Slayers, today I'm about to teach you on how to register for Mugen. First thing what you want to do is open up your web browser, click on Mugen Archive. Then in the top right hand corner you'll see register. You want to click on that. Then you'll see the actual register file. Let's say my username is going to be Sanic132 and the password is just going to be 123456, and then just repeat it on the other side, unconfirmed password. Obviously I'm not about to type in my email address, but you guys can do that. Then you gotta guess this character, and if you don't know you can always click another character, but it resets this right here. But then you can type in your country, gender, human validation, but it's optional, you don't have to do this, or otherwise it's additional. Then you have all these characters to choose from down here. You don't have to choose this because you can always just enter a URL code for your own file or choose your own one. Then you just have to confirm and say I'm at least 13, then complete. Just do complete registration. That's pretty much how you register for Mugen. So subscribe to the actual video and leave a like. And bye, fellow Slayers. Bye.